How to fix this account. Might include sensitive content on X. Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the "This account might include sensitive content" warning on X, formerly Twitter. If you're trying to view someone's profile and keep getting this annoying message, don't worry. I'll walk you through how to remove it step by step. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your phone or computer and head over to x.com. Once you're on the site, log in using your username and password, just like you normally would. After logging in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now scroll all the way down and select Settings and Privacy. Inside the Settings menu, go ahead and tap on Privacy and Safety. From there, choose the option called Content You See. This is where you'll find the setting that's causing the issue. Now turn on the toggle for Display Media that may contain sensitive content. Once you've enabled that setting, refresh the page to make sure the changes are saved properly. And that's it. Go back and check the profile again. You should now be able to see all their content without any warnings.